A steam locomotive required a steady supply of coal to be shoveled into its firebox to power its boiler. The person who kept the fire stoked was called the fireman. Steele versus Louisville and Nashville Railroad Company is set during the transition from steam to diesel engines when a labor union decided to sacrifice the jobs of black workers to keep white union members employed. The Brotherhood of Locomotive Firemen and Enginemen represented individuals who worked for the Louisville and Nashville Railroad Company. Under the Railway Labor Act, the Brotherhood had the exclusive right to bargain on behalf of the craft of firemen. The Brotherhood didn't accept black workers as union members. Nevertheless, black firemen had to accept the Brotherhood as their bargaining representative. In 1941, the Brotherhood amended its collective bargaining agreement with the railroad to replace black firemen with white workers. No black firemen were given advance notice or the opportunity to be heard on this issue. Bester William Steele was a black man who'd worked as a locomotive fireman for 30 years. He held a desirable position in passenger service. The railroad gave Steele's job to a white man who was a member of the Brotherhood. This man was junior in seniority and no more competent than Steele. Steele was reassigned to freight service, a harder job for less pay. Steele sued the railroad in Alabama state court. He argued that the Brotherhood had deliberately discriminated against black workers in an attempt to drive them out and create a monopoly for white Brotherhood members. He asked for an injunction against the enforcement of the Brotherhood's new collective bargaining agreement. The Alabama Supreme Court held that the Railway Labor Act didn't place any duty on the Brotherhood to protect the rights of minorities from discrimination. The Brotherhood therefore hadn't violated Steele's rights. The court dismissed Steele's case. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.